All right, T50s are in stock, guys. They're here. We're getting a good 5 to 10 in a week, but as soon as we get them in, they're gone. So people are not really necessarily pre-ordering them because we all know they all got delayed forever. And so now we're getting them in weekly. Like I said, between 5 and 10 in a week. If you want to go ahead and get yours, add this onto the farm, now's the best time. We also do not just sell the drones. We don't do tail out warranties. We have service after the sale. We will, we've got a lot of video shot over my shoulder, Grayson's shoulder, someone's shoulder of us actually repairing pretty much every piece on these drones. So if you have any concerns about, warranties and support, things like that, we're always there to help, either remotely. If you're close enough to us, we can, help you in our shop, bring it to us. We do work on drones as well. We do service. But there again, big thing to drive home is we do not just sell drones. We started out spraying. We've got our aviation attorney that helps set up your farm or your organization with all the proper exemptions and FAA and everything that you need with it. We provide in-field consulting, education. I just got back from Southern University teaching the first spray drone class that we're aware of in the country. So that's what we have access to, and just wanted to show everybody that we've got them in stock. Now's the best time to order. So if you got any questions, comment on this, send us a message. We'll be happy to schedule a consultation time with you. Check out all of our socials. You'll see the videos we've got on there. Send us a message. We'll be happy to have a consultation with you and help your farm any way we can. Thanks, guys.